to do a beautiful cinema film. So beginning of this year, I told God, I said, God, this year, I want to do a cinema job. And not just a cinema job. I want to do a great film. I want to do a film that will be entertaining and impactful. But Kosovo, you know, it's not, if you want to shoot a good job, a great film, it requires a lot of funds. So January went, I didn't see the money. February went, I didn't see the money.
Mama, don't cry. Do it. Keep going. Say that with a lie. Don't say that.
March went, I still didn't see the money.
Your boy don't do
April, May, June, no money. And I'm like, God, is this dream going to come true for me this year? I have this beautiful story and I want it for the big screen and the big screen alone. I'm like, so what month did I stop? June. I want to be sure you guys are following my story. June, July, August, September came, and then September. All of you, give God a round of applause. Give God a round of applause. Yes. So we actually shot this film in September, even though I'd had the script from the beginning of this year. And then we shot. It was still like a dream for me. For mommy, dada, everybody. And then I picked a date, which is December 15, for it to be released in the cinemas. And here we are today. Here we are today. I mean, I'm standing in front of you and I'm about to present my cinema job. Like, this is my first major cinema film. You all are going to love this film. As in, I am so happy that you all came out for me. And I'm using this as a point of contact before this year runs out. That thing that you're believing God for. That thing that you're believing God for. That thing that you're believing God for. Take it. Take it. Take it. This version that you're about to see is not the main version. The main version of the film has gone to the cinemas, has been distributed. But this version is for just the screening, this premiere. But ever me fife wo. Do you know what I mean by So but ever me fife wo. You are going to love this film from beginning to the end. So guys, I'm about to present to you the movie of the season. This film, let me allow you to watch it. Ada Omodadi. I'm sure a lot of people are wondering why the title is Ada Omodadi, Igbo, Yoruba. This film is a cross-cultural film, and that's why we have the title Ada Omodadi. But when you watch it, you would understand on 100 why that title is. But before I allow you to enjoy this film, I have to do this. My husband has told to a skit maker. I mean, this man did everything to promote this film for me. You all saw it on social media. You know, I said, babe, I want me to travel. And the Shola Zile. What I pay, the joke, I feel me. And he didn't even argue. It was like anything to support you.
Oh my God.
Anything to make you achieve your dream. All the way for you. And we even wear women's clothes to dance to what's that last boy song? Let's sing it. Oh yeah. So please, can you all give Alhaji Kazeem Adeoti Olowori Mercy?